want to inform all the people who are listening that during this COVID times, the crimes have gone up a lot, particularly domestic violence and also cyber crime. But unfortunately, people have not been able to reach out to the police stations. They're not able to go 2 kilometers and things like that. If you don't have a police station within 2 kilometers, you can't go there. Because of that, all these things are there pent up. So much has happened, but we don't know about it. Suicides by depression is another thing, and so many other things are there. You asked me about cyber security. This has been lurking there for a long time. If Bangladesh Central Bank can be looted of $83 million over a weekend, Friday to Monday, and money was taken away 4 years before in Manila, and nobody has traced even $1. So if that can happen, anything can happen. So but it doesn't mean that we should become Bangladesh Central Bank. So for the elderly people, my advice is do not indulge in something which you don't know about, and do not fall for the greed. Mahatma Gandhi rightly said there is enough for fulfilling the needs of everybody in the society, but not enough to fulfill the greed of one single person. So when you deal with the computer, for example, your mobile bank app and all that, be careful that you have two accounts. One where mobile bank app is there, keep the minimum money, and the other bank account can have all your investment and various other things. You don't have to lose that in the credit card. Please take care of your credit card and things like that. So by and large, computer safety, I would like to say that your computer safety has to have a security software with all the updates, as much updates as possible. Don't go for sasta, old, rotten things. Then your passwords have to be unique, a minimum of 12 digits with numbers and symbols and asterisks and whatnot. So it takes billions of years for people with a 12-digit multiple combination password to be broken. Otherwise, there is a program called Doxy. It gives you a billion password options. Just insert it, you can be broken into. So be careful about the passwords. Keep changing them every 3 months, and don't give your passwords to others to operate your computer. So you have to be very careful in the social media networking sites. Post, think twice and check the privacy. Who is checking your social media thing? The whole world. Every time your computer updates, your privacy settings get deleted. You have to go and check your privacy. You are all watching your things. So do not automatically install any software just because it looks good and it is free. We are very fond of taking anything free. Whatever comes free, we lap it up. So even if it is a disease, we'll take double quantity. So for tomorrow also, we take one. So attachments, any attachment coming on your computer system, do not get attached to it. Because if it is coming from somebody unknown, and particularly with a luring kind of a thing, luring, attractive kind of a thing, people tend to fall. There is a hook in that. There is a Trojan virus in that. And then your whole computer will start working for the other person. So is an SMS. Your entire smart mobile will become too smart for the other person, who will control your email, WhatsApp, all your pictures and all that kind of a thing. So be careful about the attachment. Online banking is very convenient for seniors. You don't get corona, nothing, sit at home, but you have to be very careful. While playing golf, if you are doing online banking, then again, which number you are pressing and what happens to that, you are not under control. But of course, there is a Reserve Bank circular that whatever happens, frauds and all, within 3 days, if you report, and the bank will reimburse and all. But as a senior citizen, why get into this lafda? So that is another about the banking thing. Emotional abuse, elderly people, Dr. Prem will come to that. He will help me in explaining that. The emotional abuse by the relatives, friends, and other onlookers is absolutely a very big issue for the elders as well as the young, small, innocent children. So be careful about it. If any crime is happening to you, like stalking or voyeurism or abuses and all, go to the nearest police station. Go to the cyber police station. It is on the website. You can do that. Any link sent by anybody, do not click the link unless you know the person and a friend of yours sends it. And that criminals can send today all info about personal things they can ask in the name of COVID control program. Dr. Prem will tell you about it. This is the United Nations website, WHO website, and ICMR website. They ask you for details. Nobody on earth can ask you for your personal numbers, whether it is WHO or anything for that matter. So don't fall prey to such kind of a thing. As Mr. Amit Dalal said, nobody can double your money in 20 days or 6 months or 6 years. So these offers, some girl is trying to give you $200 million because the poor father gave her and she doesn't know whom to. Do you believe that? Lot of such offers are coming to me every day. Coca-Cola lottery. Unless you buy a lottery ticket, how are you winning a lottery? $200 million. Now, don't fall prey. I know a teacher in Thane, when I was the commissioner of police Thane, she was defrauded 27 lakhs in small amounts. She went on giving, thinking that she will get $200 million, and she never told about her relatives because she thought they will ask for a part of it. No? Imagine a poor teacher borrowing, giving 27 lakhs. So be careful about that. So never ever ask, be friendly with people who are unknown to you, particularly the foreigners, matchmaking and foreigners giving you all the foreign offer and all that kind of a thing. Don't fall prey to that. Then a lot of texts will come to you warning against a fraud. Oh, we don't ask you all your numbers and all that. Be careful about your fraud. That is the fraud. A fraudster will only give you, to gain confidence, he will give you all such advice. So be careful about that. Never respond to any deal which is too good to be true. Mr. Amit Dalal will tell you how many years it takes in the normal, genuine way for money to double. The earlier it used to be 6.5 years with that Indira Vikas Patra. Now it could be a good 10 years or whatever it is. But somebody is offering you in 6 months. So many scams you have heard. The housing fraud scams, or open job offer scam. Now jobs are becoming scarce. People are all being sacked. So those kind of frauds and all can come on this. So this dumpkey, that if you don't give your personal CVV number, your credit card will be blocked. That is a Jamtara. That is in Jharkhand. There's a place. There's a Netflix movie. Kindly see that. Tell him, go to hell. My credit card can go to hell. If that is the answer, then nobody can give you. It will be stopping tomorrow. Life is not going to stop, no? If my credit card is stopped from working, I'm not going to die, asphyxia, nothing. So you tell him, do it. That is how it should be dealt with. So do not believe anybody who are offering transfer of funds and things like that, and various other things that you have to be careful in the cyber thing. I want to tell you, cyber crime can happen with a distance of 6,000 kilometers. So from Siberia, somebody can hack into your systems and take away all the material. Data theft, identity theft, all that kind of things can happen. And man in the middle, that is when you are dealing with somebody comes in the middle and takes hold of both the email chains and defraud you for crores of rupees. That's happening very normally. So elderly citizens, when they operate, be very, very careful and do not lose your money. As Mr. Amit Dalal said, what you have not lost, what is in your pocket is profit. I don't have to earn profit afresh. What my money is there in my pocket, if I maintain that, that is profit for me. So this is what I want to again wind up by conclude by saying that do not, there are fraudsters who are sitting in the company websites for 2.5 years and the companies do not know. So when senior citizens operate, they may not know somebody is controlling their email and various other things. So you have to be extremely careful. One reminder, repeat, is your password. Be very, very particular about your password. 12 digits or 10 digits with a combination, this and that. That is the key.